Hey guys, how are you all doing? Not too bad, I hope. Welcome back to my channel, and before jumping right in, I just want to say a huge thank you to all my new subscribers. Our family has increased to 100 guys, and that means so much. To those of you who are new, hi, my name is Elena, also known as Ladeesnuggz, and thank you so much for subscribing. I do hope you learn a thing or two on my channel and maybe something that you'll simply enjoy. In this video, I'm going to show you guys my complete skincare routine. Now that I have ensured that my hair is out of the way, I'm going to start off this routine by steaming my face. As you guys can see, I filled this large bowl with some hot water, and I'm going to cover my face with this hand towel over the bowl to allow my face to steam with the vapor for about 5 minutes. Normally I will take that time to add an essential oil, but this time I didn't. Facial steaming opens up your pores and helps loosen any buildup of dirt for a deeper cleanse. For my cleanser, I'll be using the African black soap. Now, I've been using this soap for months and I have no regrets whatsoever. I usually take this time to give myself a mini facial, getting in there and making sure my skin is nice and clean. I do this for about a minute or two. To exfoliate, I would either use Ives avocado and honey facial scrub, or I would use something more homemade like my DIY coffee sugar scrub. However, in this video, I'll be using Ives scrub to exfoliate. I went ahead and rinsed my face off camera, and I'm going to dry my skin using paper towel. I don't know guys, I always feel that it's better to use paper towel to dry my skin. Okay guys, so most times I use fresh aloe vera gel as a facial mask, and I honestly love how my face feels after I have applied the gel. One thing that you guys should know is that aloe vera has been used for centuries to help keep the skin hydrated, and it has amazing antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties, and it's one of the best natural products to treat acne. For my toner, I'm going to use Witch Hazel by Bioré, and I'm just going to pour just a little bit onto this cotton pad and apply it all over my face. I follow up with my moisturizer, and here I'm using Pond's Rejueveness anti-wrinkle cream. And to seal that moisture in, I'm going to use my African Shea Butter. And that basically sums up my complete skincare routine, guys. What works for me might not work for you, but I hope that you guys get an idea of how to develop a routine incorporating products that work for you. Please leave a comment down below, let me know what your skin routine is like, and I'll see you in my next video.